Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. This is the painting I've been waiting to do all day. I've done 5 already, scraped 1, but this is the one that I have been thinking about with these colors. And let's see what happens. So I'm using the Opal palette, which are all custom made colors. I have gold, yellow, blue, yellow, green, purple, pink, and orange. The green, yellow, and orange all have the cadmium yellow light hue, which I have found to be very good at giving cells. The pink has magenta. These are both basics colors. The magenta, which also sells, and the rest are a mix of Artist Loft and basics. No, I did not write down my formula, just like I don't write down my recipes when I come up with a brilliant concoction in the kitchen. So let's put some paint in a cup, shall we? This is a 14 by 14 canvas. That would be about 7 ounces of paint. So I'm going to need less than an ounce of each. So I did white, now I'm doing gold. I think I'll do orange next. Some pink. Yellow. Actually, I'll do the green. Blue. And purple. That is 6 ounces of paint. That is enough. I will actually put a dab of white just for good measure. Base coat. What was that? I have such a mess going on here on this table. Oh boy. So this is actually an idea I had that I want to do on a very big canvas. But I want to get my concept right, and I think I want to do this with neons because I think that would give it that opalescent glow. Okay. Let's make a mess. Give it a torch. let's tilt this baby. I have a lot of paint on here, so I'm going to need to stretch this. Recenter your paint before you change directions. Can't stress that enough. When people say, where did I go wrong? That's usually it. It's either consistency or tilt technique. Okay, so now I'm thinking, what do I do? What is this composition going to be? That's still too much weight for me. So I will sacrifice this corner and bring this down. Still too much weight. So I'm going to tilt again and grab this center area, and that will stretch. All right, here it is, close up. The camera is not picking up these colors right. They are much lighter than what they are coming across. That magenta is not even close to that color. All of these colors are much softer than they're coming across. So there it is. More work to be done to get it exactly how I want it before I do it on the big one. So I may wind up trying it with neons and then may give it that opal glow, although it does kind of have that glow now because of the metallics. So we'll see how this looks dried. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Go make some art.